Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to show you how you can combine different PDFs on Adobe Acrobat. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have the Adobe Acrobat Pro installed on your PC, and then you have to go to the document that you want to combine. For example, I have these documents that I want to combine. So therefore, I will click over this first sketch over here. This is one of the sketches that I have. What I will do is I will go to all tools and I will go to combine files, and then I will add files. I'm going to go to the PDF and select to as many PDFs that I want to combine. For example, I want to combine these. I will select over here and click on open. It's going to combine this, but when you click over the combine button, it's going to take a few seconds, and you can see that it has merged all these plans in one PDF. You just have to click over save, and you have to select the location that you want to save in. I will click on the desktop. The default name is binder. I want to say as PDF merged. Enter. So as you can see that this has successfully merged all these PDFs. In order to see that, you have to go to here. The file is saved over here. Click over here, and you can see that it has already merged all these PDFs, into one file. So this is what I wanted to show to you guys as to how you can easily combine all the PDFs files into one PDF file. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.